Automated case loading of brick packs with the power of vision-guided Delta robots has never been easier or more efficient. Custom end-of-arm tooling and robotic control allow for precision case loading and accurate control. Changing to different SKUs is as easy as swapping the end-of-arm tool, adjusting the case conveyor, and selecting the recipe on the HMI. Not only are these robots wash-down ready, but they handle the heavy lifting and loading. From single 1-pound bricks to 3-up saddle packs, the Osprey combines versatility, ease of use, and sanitation in a small footprint. When your protein case loading requires efficiency and accuracy, the JLS Osprey is ready to perform.